purpose of the chest bandage is to secure dressing over wounds, immobilize the chest after fractures or injuries. Reduce the pain during beating and cutting. A cravat, in a medical context, refers to a type of bandage or wrap used around the head or ear. It's often used to secure dressing, providing support or protect the wounds.